We hope that you all enjoy our activities with our families, friends, and colleagues. Hello everyone! Good evening! Welcome to OJ1 Team Building Activity 2026.
Go! Dream Team! Matatalo tayo! Woo!
So with this, from the Kasobe Management, we owe something for you. We owe something much sa inyo for giving us the chance to be here. For those who contributed, small, big, your particular contribution is appreciated.
Hindi ko man masabi, hindi man natin alam kung ano man yung mga bagay na gawa natin out of our decisions, out of the things na ginawa natin. But at the end of the day, what is important is always for the good of our community, the good of the armed forces, for the good of all our family, our fellow workers, and our friends. During my career, isa lang naman po yung, for me, isa lang yung pinaka-important that I want to achieve as a naval officer. And that is completing my commandancy. Ang sabi nga po ni Joseph Conrad, if you've read yung poem niya, commanding ships is the most difficult job in the Navy. It is the most difficult job. And indeed, it was the most difficult job that I have experienced in my career.
So sa ating lahat, sa mga OJ1 family at kay Sir Bong, isang pagpupugay po, Sir. Maraming salamat and God bless to everyone.
We hope that you enjoy this evening activity for the OJ1 number 1.
Sa inyong lahat, magandang gabi. Hindi pa po tapos, more than 1 month until retirement, so there are still a lot of things to do. Maraming salamat.